Your viewers next year can look forward to strong underlying organic growth in the business that we've already won over the last 2 years around subscription bundling, and also seeing more deployments and more wins for the digital vending machine across not just telco, but as we can now see, banking and retail.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Bango Chief Marketing Officer Anil Malhotra. Anil, you've announced an agreement with Continente, Portugal's largest high street retailer. Could you tell us more about the agreement?
Yes, Stephen, good to see you again. Let me first of all say a little bit more about who Continente is. As you say, it is the largest retailer in Portugal. Think perhaps of the Tesco of Portugal. They have 350 stores across the country. This agreement is with them using Bango technology to bundle and distribute the Disney Plus streaming service for their customers as a Christmas promotion. In terms of what the offer is, if you are a Continente customer and you join their club, again, a bit like, say, joining Tesco Clubcard, then you can sign up to Disney Plus, and you'll get that discounted for a period of time until sign up to the 31st of August. So you'll get it discounted to €1.99 for 3 months. And then the price goes to €5.99. But in addition, as a benefit of being a Continente card holder, you get a 30% cash rebate back on your card that you can spend on anything that you want. That card's not only accepted at Continente's own stores, but at 2,000 other locations across Portugal. So it's a really nice offer in the run up to Christmas for customers in Portugal.
And I suppose it really also shows the diversity of your digital vending machine, the DVM, and the wide array of customers you can bring on with it.
That's right. So on the one hand, you've got really famous global brands like Disney, who we're able to enable through the digital vending machine. And then on the other hand, you've got companies that want to bundle products like the Disney Plus subscription service. Now, you'll know, and listeners and viewers will know that traditionally Bango's focused on the telco market. You'll be aware from our half-year update that we did in September of this year that we've added a couple of banking customers into the mix now. And I think that this branching out into retail, initially in mainland Europe, really illustrates the universality of bundling, the appeal of bundling these subscription services. So many of us, of course, now are spending more and more time viewing our television and consuming music and other entertainment through these monthly subscriptions. It's not surprising that they're becoming very attractive as offers and add-ons through a range of different consumer propositions, financial services, telecommunications, and now, of course, retail.
And of course, really using the strength of that partnership you have with that Disney Plus annual. I mean, would you look at other retailers perhaps to try and extend this further?
Yes, we think there's considerable scope actually for these services to be provided to other retailers, and retailers, of course, are perhaps par excellence the ideal partners for looking at what product bundles, what kind of merchandising opportunities there are. We did, incidentally, Stephen, a survey just about 10 days ago where we surveyed 3,000 British consumers, and we asked them what they thought about the idea of giving away subscriptions for Christmas as bundles in the way that Continente done with Disney Plus here. And 58% of Brits said that they like the idea of gifting subscriptions because it makes Christmas last all year long. And a third of us apparently find that wrapping presents is too much hassle. So subscriptions is a great substitute.
Look for one of those in my stocking this year then, Anil. As we end 2024 and head into 2025, what's next for Bango?
Well, I think you'll see more of the same, but a bigger scale. We've had some very notable wins this year with companies licensing our digital vending machine technology to enable their entire subscription bundling business. We've had a number of really interesting and attractive brands who've come along and said, we like the idea of bundling. We like the idea of the way Bango digital vending machine is standardizing how bundling's done, Disney probably being the highlight during the course of this year. So I think your viewers next year can look forward to strong underlying organic growth in the business that we've already won over the last 2 years around subscription bundling, and also seeing more deployments and more wins for the digital vending machine across not just telco, but as we can now see, banking and retail.
We're going to be having many conversations as we head into 2025. Thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us today.
I look forward to it, and happy Christmas to you and to all of your viewers.
And to you. That's Bango Chief Marketing Officer Anil Malhotra.